For interactive slide deck preparation, you should take a blank sheet from Microsoft PowerPoint and a rounded rectangular and a triangle shape. I like to select, and these two shapes are union or grouped together. The triangle is on the right side of the rounded rectangle. I make the rectangle shape by Ctrl D in 5 shape, and then it should be colored in 5 for 5 different types slide preparation. Then we should numbering the 5 slide from 1 to 5. Each number related with 5 slide. After the numbering complete, I make the 5 shape with number a group, different type of 5 groups. Each shape with number are grouped together. After grouping, we make 5 slide title. First title is mango slide, mango picture for only demonstration purpose. Second slide, banana. Third slide is jackfruit, and fourth slide strawberry, and final the last slide is coconut. So the 5 slide title already prepared, and this slide should be made thereafter. Now the 5 shapes are animated. And the 5 slide title also animated. First shape, 5 shape are on click, and the slide title with previous. Then for 5 slide title, I make the 5 slide in 5 color. First slide red color, and then reddish, and third one is yellow, and fourth one is greenish, and fifth one is green color slide. This 5 slide should be related to number 1 slide. And I import picture from my computer in a slide. First I import the mango picture, from my computer. Only for demonstration, I simply take the picture without any size. Then I took the second picture of banana from my computer file, and it should be placed in the second slide. Then I took the third picture of jackfruit and also size it and placed in the yellow color slide. And fourth slide is strawberry. I also put it in the fourth greenish color slide. And last slide is coconut, and it placed on the green color last slide. So the 5 slide already prepared. Now I hyperlink the number of the shape. It should be minded that the number of the shape should be hyperlink and the previous of picture preview of picture can be shown. Each of the five slides should be hyperlinked with their numbers. After the hyperlink of 5 slides, the display is this type. Now, the slide of these 5 should be related to number 1 slide, that is controlling slide. For this reason, I take a triangular shape on each of the 5 slides, and number 1 slide this triangular shape should be hyperlinked to number 1 slide, and this is the interactive slide deck. We can move one slide to another slide and every 5 slide to number 1 slide. So this is a mechanism of easy making an interactive